Hello, everybody. It is what do we have here? Let's see. I don't know. I forgot the date. June 26th. It's 5:42 here, my time, and we're just gonna take a quick look at the market. Just give you a quick market update and see how things are looking. So again, weekend price action. We're seeing here today in the morning. The first a 4-hour candle was pretty, telling. It's telling you that buyers at the moment are not as confident at this price level, especially if you compare it to this price action over here. So here at this date here on June 22nd, we peaked all the way below, but as soon as it was almost the lowest price action we're having, we're on the lower extremities of this whole pattern that Bitcoin has been stuck in, this price range. We're all the way close to the 30K, and we're seeing that at that time, at that 4-hour candle, we had dump all the way down to the 28,700 and a pushback from the buyers, a lot of redistribution, whatever you want to call it, reaccumulation, and boom, within 4 hours we pushed the price action back above these price levels, above towards the 31,700. So today we met this price level again, and first 4-hour candle first, on Saturday morning, and we right away dumped all the way back to the 30K, 30,700, and we didn't see much, not the same price action. It's just kind of telling us that there's a bit of a difference in the price action we're having. Obviously, less confidence at this price level, so we need to keep that in mind, especially with Bitcoin ignoring a bunch of those bullish signals we've been having. Because if we're looking back here, we had this downtrend that we've been stuck in since June 15th. Continuous resistance established. We know exactly where that resistance is. We wait for a bit. A couple times that we actually found that sellers were pushing the price action below it, and you're seeing here that as soon as we had some sort of breakout, went back to retest and pushed upwards, but it failed. We failed to have some sort of a follow through. This is what we're seeing. We clearly see some sort of a break above this pattern, above this resistance, went above, came back to retest, pushed upwards, and actually failed to continue and follow through. And we see here, you're seeing here on the hourly chart, continuous downtrending, and now we're here. So we want to see what's going to happen, but there's clearly less confidence in the market. And although there's the 4-hour again, you're seeing that there is some, it is being bought back up, but the price action is too strong to the downside at the moment, and we need to see. So again, the whole market is like that right now. If you're seeing here, say, we're ranging between, what's the lowest I got here? Yeah, -5% to the 0, -0, 7, 13%. So the whole market is in the negative. It's in the red today. And it's expected on a weekend like this. So we want to see what's going to happen. Bitcoin right now is at minus or negative 1.28% in terms of the price range. And we range between the 30,194 all the way above to the 32,734. But you'll see that's just complete, I wouldn't say complete dominance by the sellers right now, because buyers did actually push the price action back above. So we went all the way down to the 30,158, and we see that the buyers actually pushed the price action back up. But this is, signifying that battle that we always talk about. Compared to this day over here, pretty good. I love this kind of candle, pushing all the way down, sellers rejecting the price action, pushing above the opening price. Great. You know how much we pay very close attention to closing prices, is signifying the confidence or the weakness of the buyers and the sellers at the moment. And at that day, pretty good. You'll see as soon as this happened, we saw a couple more days of bullish price action, but then whoop, yesterday was pretty bad. Sellers completely dominated the market yesterday. It's a Friday. We saw that happen, and today we're seeing a bit of a battle happen. So that's what this is. This is so far what's happening. I guess any kind of I would say analysis right now would be a bit more speculative, and especially with all the bullish signs or signals being very, very ignored by majority of the market. So you want to see what happened, not a lot of news today that I can share with you, but we will most likely soon enough here maybe go on a live stream and get into some sort of news. But again, I think Taproot right now got locked in. There's a bunch of news about that, but overall, a very slow weekend in terms of price action and news, except for, we can bring up so much. So, I just want to keep a very, very, very a quick update. So let's see what's gonna happen. The whole market is right now in the limbo, less confidence, and not a lot is going on. So let's see how it plays out. Do you guys think we're gonna stay like this tomorrow as well? I do expect that to happen. We'll see how Monday and the next week here actually plays out for Bitcoin. Let's just go and see what's happening here on the weekly as well. So there's what it is. 55 EMA on the weekly chart. We tried to find that support at it, and right now we're actually again below it. So again, on those bigger time frames, it is showing that we are losing that confidence. The market is losing that confidence, and we ranged here since May 17th. This weekly chart, we did move sideways, and now looks like, is that gonna happen or not? So we have a day left. Let's see how that plays out, and we'll see what the next levels for Bitcoin are, and if Bitcoin is actually going to hold that 30K level or not. So let us know in the comments. Let me know in the comments, and let me know if you're bullish or bearish right now. Are you buying more or are you selling more? I know there's a lot of crazy investors out there that are either trading at this specific level, and sorry, not investors, traders. So I don't want to ramble too much. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And also make sure you stay tuned for the live stream that we're going to have today at the end of the closing for Bitcoin. Check out our Patreon. Check out the links on the bottom. You know what to do. Thank you for watching.